teachers, my brothers and sisters, and my friend. Myself, Prem Sonar, a student of class 10, as a president of Eco Club, today standing in front of you for the presentation on a Eco Club awareness on a topic of plastic, single-use plastic. So the introduction of the topic is that as we are very similar with the plastic, as we used in our day-to-day life, as we go to the shops, we used to ask to the shopkeeper for the if we created a little objects or items, we usually ask the shopkeeper for the plastic, as we can carry it in our pocket also. And what are single-use plastic? As I above mentioned, the single-use plastic are plastic that we use in our day-to-day life for carrying objects. Since there are some of the examples like plastic carry bags, water bottles, food packagings, and disposal cups, plates and spoons, straws, stairs, sackets, and wrappers. Next slide, please. And the next is about the problem caused by single-use plastic. Since there are very problems that we are similar, that plastic is very harmful for us and for our environmental, as for our flora and fauna. So the environmental pollution, that the plastic causes environmental pollution, as it takes around 100 of years to be degraded, and it's harmful to the animal is that the plastic present in the drainage or in the water and in the terrestrial habitats are eaten by the animals. Example like turtles and aquatic animals and cows are usually eat the plastic that are present in the surface and cause very serious problems to their health and lead to the depletion of the food chain. And the next is human health issues. Since microplastics enter our body through food, water, air, and cause very hormonal change, diseases, and also the breathing problems in our body. And the next in the soil and water pollution. Since the chemicals from the plastics usually cause the soil degradation, and as we know, the similar water pollution. Now I'm taking the example of Ghss Anini. So I have surveyed many areas, and I have found that these are the pictures, as you can see, the waste of the plastic, and also you can see in the drainage how the plastic are thrown away. Since its effects, since Anini is located, Anini is a very beautiful place, as we know. But as I have surveyed here, since we have to use the resources in a sustainable way, if we doesn't use our resources in a sustainable way, then our future will be depleted. And as we know that the total household of the Anini is 621. As we assume that per person household use the plastic as a 4, that I assume that. Since I will show that how the plastic are used. Since the household of the Anini is 621. And as I assume that plastic are used for per household is 4. Since we multiply that, then we got it's 2,484. Since why do we use single-use plastic? As it is chiefly available, as I have above mentioned, that whenever we go to shop, we usually ask for plastic as it is available easily. And what can we do instead of using a plastic? Carry your own jute bag, cotton bag, or etc. and say no to plastic uses in the Ghss district, and also by applying us the format of not using that and using the cloth bags, etc. An alternative of single-use plastic, as instead of that we can use cotton bags or paper, steel or glass bottles, papers or bamboo straws, biodegradable plates and cups, reusable container, refillable water bottles and tiffins. Instead of using a plastic, we can use a bag made up of various things to use for carrying objects in the shop. And the conclusion of that I have surveyed from the project, and I know from the project that plastic use are very dangerous for us, as we have to use by taking initiative within ourselves. If we take initiative towards it, then it will have big changes. since a small steps towards it lead to a big differences. Thank you. Have a nice day.